Hello everyone, welcome to Week in Review. This week, let's talk joy, peace, happiness, and the spirit of Christmas. What is our vision for a Christmas in the new Great Zimbabwe? Well, we will deliver an economy that inspires joy, enabling each citizen to reap the rewards of their hard work in a way that restores dignity. We will promote peace, where citizens are free to exercise their views and ideas without fear. The persecution of an innocent citizen like Job Sikala simply won't be possible. We will build a country where citizens can pursue happiness for themselves, for their families, and for our nation as a whole. Now picture this: gentle rains as you gather with your loved ones, dressed in your Christmas clothes, sharing a hearty meal, Christmas bonus in your pocket, electricity on, some savings in the bank, a pension you can live on, children who are happily in school, hospitals that can serve you if something goes wrong, and the confidence of knowing that the year ahead holds the promise of stability and a government you can rely on. That's our dream for this nation. It's the Zimbabwean dream. And next year, we can certainly start building towards it. And so today, in spite of what may be happening around us, on behalf of our Change Champion-in-Chief, Advocate Nelson Chamisa, and all of our change champions in Zimbabwe and beyond, we wish you a truly happy holiday season, filled with the hope of new beginnings and the promise of a renewed tomorrow. Merry Christmas, Zimbabwe. And if you're home for the holidays, don't forget to register to vote. And when all else fails, continue to inspire hope and a thirst for change. And so until next week, they must free Wiwa.